In use case 1, a user will upload a file to SharePoint Business Library. The file will be automatically rights protected by policy based on the classification of the uploaded files. In this example, the export control file property will be used. In use case 2, a user will upload a file to SharePoint internal library. Demonstrating all uploaded files will be rights protected with HR Data Access Rights Policy. Use case 3 shows when the value of the SharePoint column associated to a file in SharePoint project library is changed or added, the file will be rights protected with policy based on the value of the SharePoint column. SkyDRM for SharePoint rights protects files in SharePoint automatically based on policy. Let us show you the policy first. When user Abraham uploads a file to the business library, NextLabs SkyDRM will apply the rights protection policy automatically. The obligation in the policy will read the value of the export control tag from the file and use it to tag and apply policy to rights protected file. You can identify a rights protected file by its NXL extension. Now, let us check the file properties of the sample file I am going to use for this demo. Export control tag is set to ITAR. Next, I will upload the file to the business library. The file is automatically protected. Since the file is protected, when user Jimmy Carter downloads the protected file, you can see the protection persists and the ITAR export control tag remains with the file. Let's try another file. Check the file properties. The export control tag is set to EAR. Upload this to the business library. The file is automatically protected. Now, user Jimmy Carter downloads the protected NXL file. Because it is an EAR file, and Jimmy Carter has no permissions to access EAR data according to the policy, you can see Jimmy Carter is not able to view the file. In the second use case, we will demonstrate using SkyDRM policy to automatically classify and rights protect a document when the file is uploaded to SharePoint. First, let us show you the SkyDRM policy. The policy will tag the uploaded file by setting the department property to HR. Now, I will show you how SkyDRM for SharePoint will apply this policy. This is the sample file I will use. Let us check the property on the file. As you can see, the department property is not set to any value. Next, I log in as user Abraham to upload this file to the internal library. The uploaded file is automatically tagged as HR and protected with HR Data Access Rights Policy. When user Jimmy Carter downloads the file from the internal library, the file remains protected and the department tag stays with the file. In the final use case, I will demonstrate using SkyDRM policy to automatically tag and rights protect a document based on the value of SharePoint column. Here you see the SkyDRM policy will read the value of the security column and automatically write the tag and rights protect the file. I have two files in the project library. Let us check the security tag in the file properties by downloading a copy to my local machine. As you can see, the value of a security tag in the file is not set. Now, user Abraham will update the value of the security column associated to each of the files in the project library. Update the value of the security column. You can see the tag is updated and the file is rights protected automatically. When user Jimmy Carter downloads the NXL files to the local drive, the file remains protected. You can see this from the NXL extension, and the value of the security tag also stays with the file.